Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text in a box in Photoshop for two way. Step 1. First of all, create a new layer and select text type horizontal type tool, text color white, Arial black, text size, select your size, okay, hold control, middle, then control Z, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click mouse, raster as layer, then control T, see this menu option, right click mouse, scale, rotate, ski, distort, perspective, warp, hold control, okay. And step 2, first of all, again create another layer and type text, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click mouse, raster as layer, then control A, oh sorry, hold control, select text, then control C for copy, control D, again click the layer, create a new layer, filter, vanishing point, add at corner, okay, then control V, now see this, paste automatically text, control T for resize, okay. Thanks for watching video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, center.